Never have I seen a place that reminds me of your face, till I heard a call to me, like a phone call from a friend, said in silence like a prayer. If these walls could breathe the air, they would sing a song of love, and how it sometimes has to end. Welcome home, your last and only one, never more to roam. Have no fear if you don't see the sun, I will hold you close. Welcome home. You are home. No, nothing tastes like sweet, sweet home. Letters written in the den, folded news and coffee cans, simple things that I recall, not forgotten easily. Dog is passed out on the lawn, he will miss me when I'm gone. He won't speak what he has seen, like the walls surrounding me. Welcome home, your last and only one, never more to roam. Welcome home. You are home. No, nothing tastes like sweet. Nothing tastes like sweet. No, nothing tastes like sweet.